Viper, Trackhawk, Ram 1500, Ram 2500, Ram 2500. Is that a Tesla?
Well, come on in, boys. Welcome to the channel. How are y'all motherfuckers doing? Oh, this is a family channel, goddammit. Shit.
Gosh darn it.
That's right.
Alright guys, so we are headed over to the gym, but first, 4 weeks this Saturday? Friday. Tomorrow, Friday, which you'll see us on Friday. 4 weeks from today, which will be Friday. Man! Dyno Night. It's our dyno launch party the day before the Flashlight Shootout at 777 Performance. Look them up on Facebook, John Lawson's business.
Yeah, super cool John Lawson, 777. Oh, and also
they're also sponsoring
214 Racing.
And 214 Racing will be there. A lot of people are going to be there. It's going to be a good time. There's going to be food trucks, vendors, bunch of fast cars, bunch of badass cars. You guys come check it out if you want to dyno your car. $60, 2 pulls. You can find out what your car makes.
Dynoing my car.
Kevin's dynoing his car. My car won't be running. But also, I made a bet with Rigo because Rigo claims his car makes less than 900. I told him I'd pay him $100 if it made under 900. He's just mad because it'll actually make like 930 to 950, and then he has no excuse why he's really slow and still shifting in Houston. But so that's Friday night, 777 Performance. Look it up on Facebook because I can't remember what city are they in. They're around Dallas. I just can't remember their actual city. But then Saturday, and that's from 12 to 12. It's gonna be a long day. Saturday,
food trucks.
We got food trucks. Saturday, gates open 9 a.m., right? Or is it 8 a.m. for racers?
8 a.m. for racers.
8 a.m. for racers. The Flashlight Shootout, Extreme Raceway Park, Ferris, Texas. Oh my gosh. It's going to be a good time. So bring your car out, daily driver, true street, small tire, big tire, truck, SUV, wherever you fit in. Bring your car out. Don't be afraid
I'm curious who brings out more, Mopars or the Mustang boys?
Yeah, there's a lot of Mustangs coming, but there's a lot of Mopars coming. So it'll be really interesting to see who all comes out. But it's going to be a good time regardless. It's going to be a ton of fun. It's going to be a long day. But if you haven't been to a Flashlight Shootout, which we only have had them in Amarillo, they're a ton of fun. People doing side bets, which you can do whatever you want when you're there. We don't condone it, but do whatever you want. Shout out TG Motorsports. So we are actually headed over to the gym. If you guys don't know, opening a huge new facility. That's also coming up real soon. So Kevin and I will
also coming soon is ulcers in my stomach. So.
Kevin and I will be quitting YouTube here really soon because we'll be full-time at the gym.
We're gonna have to hire like a kid or someone to like film for us.
Yeah, make car videos for us because we won't have any time. So, but yeah, we want to show you guys something super cool that we got at the gym. Our gym is...
No one has done this ever, boy! No one!
The gym is definitely a little different, and we're trying to make it like really aesthetically pleasing with like all the decorative stuff we hang from the walls, ceilings, the paint scheme, the floor, like everything's gonna be different. Yeah, so Kevin can take selfies for Instagram.
Yes, boy.
So yeah, if you guys haven't seen it, well, here it is. It's 37,000 square feet of pure awesome.
Pure.
Just pure. And some apartments if you want to live next door to the gym.
It's true.
So there it is. They are getting really scary close.
Yeah.
It's huge though.
Yeah, they'll work on the drive-thru today.
Ooh, I bet you guys don't have a gym with a drive-thru.
That's right.
So you can see a lot of the glasses up on the sides. I mean, this place is almost fully enclosed. And it's gonna be a good time. There's a hangar back there, which in the summers we'll have that open. Then there's that garage right there is the wash bay. Randy's gonna be detailing cars all day. How cool, you can get your car detailed while you work out. And there's some hooligans.
Yeah, can you do that in any other gym? No, don't fucking at me. We're doing everything first. Either we going bankrupt, we getting rich, boy.
At least our cars will be clean when we go bankrupt.
That's true.
Check out that screen though. Oof. So guys, there's the drive-thru right now. They're working on that. Obviously there's no concrete yet, but
more importantly, mine and David's parking spots right up front.
So you must make over 1,000 horsepower to park up here.
Oh, that should be we should have a little sign.
So y'all better turn up. But you can see they've got almost all the glass up here. It's pretty cool to see. So this would be the front entrance right here. And then wait for it. Boom! It's a jet engine. Wow, that's a jet engine.
So that's from B-22 bomber?
B-22 bomber.
It's been in 3 wars.
This thing has seen some people.
Like, I feel sketched up too.
Yeah, it's pretty sketchy, but it's I mean it's pretty well hung. Okay, here's Kevin. Boom, there's the jet.
Yeah.
So this is actually where our store will be. There'll be a storefront right here. But Kevin's a mannequin representing the CA clothing. And then right there, there'll be a front desk with a big screen behind it, pretty much with like, I don't know, classes and membership on there or something. Maybe
Your
commercials.
videos?
Maybe some
edits?
videos of demons, you know?
Yeah, let's show them the inside.
Oh, dang. So you can see it's all glass. All glass. So what's right here? Well, first there's an elevator right there.
Elevator, we got our strength side. This will be kind of a cable machine area, and then that. Oh, they're doing all the foam too. This is all turf. That's all
It was
turf.
big piece of turf. So yeah, all the powerlifting stuff will be right here. Squat racks, deadlifts, bench presses.
Yep.
There's gonna be cables in front of it.
Yep.
Ooh, man. So yeah, they got all the glass on that backside. So there's where the hangar door is. That thing is massive.
Yeah.
That thing is so sick. They're hanging up some lights up top. Oh man. But yeah, it's pretty cool. All these walls are up, so it seems really surreal now that the walls are up.
Well, now, so what's cool is, like, say you guys wanted to come in and rent the turf, we have a net that goes all the way around, so it blocks everything off, which is kind of cool.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Kevin and I don't have hard hats on. We're gonna get shit dropped on us. Got a little trim piece for some decoration. So this is where the cafe's at. Dang, the cafe's coming along good. So that's where the drive-through window is. People be working right here, making drinks, smoothies. That's cool. That's really cool. And that's where Randy will be washing the cars. Get to work, Randy. I didn't see they finished it. So yeah, there's another set of stairs back there that goes up to the top where the track's at. But man, it's getting close, boys. My ball. So what's this room? It's all the machines, right?
This is all plate-loaded equipment, so I'm a big fan of plate-loaded equipment. It gives you a different feel, so this will be your chest presses, leg extensions, hamstring curls, bicep curls.
All the
Yeah,
curls.
all the curls.
So yeah, this will be a whole plate-loaded area, which I love plate-loaded machines. They're
It
awesome.
just feels different than a
Cable
cable,
load.
but it feels different. The way
Yeah.
the gravity pulls is way different.
Weighted so much better. So that's the hallway to the lockers and bathrooms, but they got it blocked off right now. But
should
actually,
be-
they're supposed to be starting tile in there, which is cool.
Well,
But man, they're
Sean said the floor is done.
really damn. So yeah, they're doing the mudding right now on the drywall, which
So-
mean they're getting ready to
Yeah,
paint.
so after that, they got up there, and then they're gonna paint and then all that shit up.
So a lot of this stuff will actually be left exposed, which looks cool.
Yeah, they're gonna
It'll look really
That's
cool.
basically- This is what the ceiling will look like. And then,
Yeah, so this they haven't put that metal over yet, but yeah, so that's what it looked like finished. That's super cool. And this is a floating staircase. Check out them welds, Streetcar Joe action. The stairs are so sick. So this is a studio where you could do like cycling class or yoga classes, all types of classes. There's actually another one of these on the other side over there. And then this is the cable machines, right?
yeah.
And then so all your cable machines, which a lot of you are probably used to, actually go right here, and then it overlooks the boulevard, which is really cool. This will all be glass. All glass. And then right here, front and center,
Cardio.
is the cardio equipment. This is where you get Vegas ready, boys. So cardio equipment all right here. Huge glass overlooking Amarillo Boulevard. And then the badass track. Probably my favorite part is all this railing. It's super cool. Really industrial, modern looking. So much glass. And then a top view of the jet engine.
Like, Like it's
So this is actually the engine RPG sent me, and we decided to hang it up here. Look at that. Woo! That's crazy. I didn't think it would hang that low. I thought it'd be like up here.
no, this was.
So yeah, that way if it does fall on you, it won't hurt as bad because it'll be lower. So yeah, here's the other yoga studio, whatever we're gonna use it for. So
Posing room.
Kevin's gonna pose. So this is kind of like the backside.
Yeah, so
Super nice
our
stairs.
gym will be 24 hours, which is nice. So like, say we have a class, or I don't know, me and Dave want to run outside. We'll have tires and stuff. Honestly, like this is a good 8th mile track right here.
We're gonna hire Limpy, aka Branson, to come out here do the flashlight shootout because we won't be able to travel anymore. These stairs are super sick though. But yeah, huge parking. There's tons of parking.
We probably have over $1 million in just concrete.
Yeah,
like
concrete is not cheap. That's what's so cool about XRP is literally everything is concrete. There's no dirt anywhere. That's what's awesome about XRP. Look at all that glass. So there's the big ass hangar door, which we're gonna have open in the summers.
You want to know what $1 million in glass looks like?
Look at all that glass. Is not cheap, but it looks so good. And like everything has to be a higher spec because we're in Amarillo and it's so damn windy here. Shout out Junk Monkey. Back up, Terry. Put it in reverse. Shout out Rigo. That thing is shiny. Look at that blank. So, hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. I don't do too much life updates or what's going on in my personal life on this YouTube channel. I try and just keep that separate because I'm busy with that stuff. But I just wanted to show you guys that because I thought it was really cool that we have a jet engine in our gym hanging. I think it's from like a B-52, I believe. But anyways, we picked it up from like a salvage yard that has jet engines. And we thought it'd be something really cool to decorate the gym with. We're trying to have like some really cool modern industrial type art in the gym. That'd be really cool to look at and aesthetically pleasing. But anyways, got some updates. If you made it this far through the video, got some updates on the Mustang. This Tuesday, the roll cage material will be here. The engine is supposed to ship Monday. The converter is supposed to ship today or Monday. The only other thing I really need to follow up on is the headers because we really need those because it's so much easier to install the headers when the engine's out of the car. So everything should be here next week, whether it's at the end of the week or the beginning, I'm not totally sure. But by the end of next week, I plan to have the converter in because I want to put the converter on, then drop the engine in, bolt the transmission up to the engine. Hopefully we'll have the headers, that way the headers are already on. And then what I want to do is start putting everything back together, put the alternator back on, put the whole fuel system back on, intake manifold, put the radiator back on, run the lines for the radiator, put the Motion Raceworks catch can back on, pretty much get everything, plug in the harness, run the regulators back up, pretty much put everything back together in the engine bay. And then that way we can trailer it over to Joe's on a trailer. We'll roll it up on a trailer and then we'll trailer it over to Joe's. And that way he can start fabbing the turbo kit because we have everything we need for the turbo kit. We've got the Maven T6 billet flange. We've got the Maven mount that's going to sit under the turbo to support the weight of it. We've got all the V-band flanges. I do need to order some 2.5-inch stainless steel so we can make our new merge pipe, which is pretty much the only thing we have to make is a new merge and then a new exhaust. So I do have the V-band for the exhaust. I just haven't ordered the actual exhaust material because I don't know exactly which bends we need. But next week, we've got a ton going back on with the Mustang. I know I haven't had many updates. That's just because I've been waiting on parts to show up. So hopefully by next weekend, I'd like to have this car at Joe's. He's probably watching this like, you're crazy, your car's not coming over. But Joe, we're coming over. Street Car Joe and Dave back at it again with the turbo builds. He's got a ton of updates on the Fox body as well, which I haven't updated you guys on, but tons of updates coming on his car as well. So Joe, Street Car Joe, make some room. We're bringing the Tang Stang back over. But yeah, hopefully by the end of next week, I'll have the engine back in the car, and that weekend or the following week, we can start actually fabbing up the turbo kit and the roll cage, because like I said, we are starting to run out of time. Yeah, there's a lot going on. So I think we for sure have enough time. It's just we don't want to be rushed, so we want to make sure we have plenty of time. So hopefully everything gets here next week, and then we can take the car over to Joe's and start fabbing up the turbo kit and doing the roll cage, which will probably take the longest. I'm still waiting on the BMR K-member, some Viking coilovers, and injectors, which that stuff's not a big deal because the K-member and the coilovers I can always do later on. It's not a big deal. Like, I can knock those out in a day at the house. So it's not a big deal. Coilovers are super easy. K-member's pretty easy. Like when the car's back at the house, a couple weeks before 2K if it is, then I can put that stuff on here. It's not a big deal. So pretty much plan is put the engine in by next weekend, get the car over to Joe's, start working the turbo kit, roll cage. Should take maybe a week or two, and then get the car back over here, get the K-member on, coilovers, new injectors, couple other like small odds and ends, and then start tuning the car, because then once that happens, we only have a couple weeks and we got to go to 2K. So I probably won't be able to hit the track before 2K, but at least we can do some street tuning, get a base map in it, and when we get to 2K, there's tons of test and tuning going on. I think Wednesday and Thursday, even Friday, but I think Friday starts the qualifying. So really Wednesday, Thursday, got to have the car figured out, but we can use some qualifying passes if we need to kind of figure out the car. But the setup, the only thing that's really changing, the motor is the same compression, same bore, everything's the same on the motor, it's just reinforced and it's sleeved. So nothing really changes on the tune with that. But we do have bigger injectors, so got to scale those in. But Lund's tuned these bigger injectors before, it's not a big deal. Really, we just got to tune that and then just make sure the power's right, because obviously we're going to be making a lot more power. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. Like I said, it's kind of something a little different, but I wanted to show you guys a couple little personal things we got going on with the gym. We've got the Flashlight Shootout coming up February 29th, Extreme Raceway Park. Make sure you guys come out. $14,000 cash guaranteed to the winners. So we've got small tire, big tire, true street, daily driver, and truck SUV. If you guys have never been to the Flashlight Shootout, I'm telling you, it's such a good time. It's really fun to go watch. So Friday night, we actually have a dyno night over at 777 Performance. Huge shout out to John Lawson over there. And then, like I said, Saturday is the actual race. So hopefully you guys come out there. I don't think my car will be out there. However, if we just so happen to get it done, this car will be out there if it's done and ready. But I'm not really counting on that. I'm really focused on 2K. That's kind of a big deal for me, and we've got to have the car out at 2K. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. Comment down below what you think of the jet engine. We should have dropped it in the Mustang, but maybe next time. I'll see you guys on the next one.